Yeah, have you been struggling to make money online? Have you tried several methods by which you can make money online from home? Or maybe you've bought several courses online and they have not given you the result you want. Here is the good news for you. You watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to make money online. While following the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video is the second 50% of getting paid online. So once again, I go by the name Skywet. Follow my videos, follow my steps to see how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly, and you can make the same even as a beginner from home. Watch my video.
Yes, good day everyone. I go by the name Skywet. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, have you been struggling to make money online? Or maybe you've paid several tutors online to get courses and you've not made any money online. Yes, watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to get paid, and following the step I'm going to show you in this video is the other 50% of you getting the cash at hand. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly on ClickBank affiliate marketing. As you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And commission, I mean the percentage which the company gives you from the price you sold the product. For instance, if a product costs $100 and maybe when you sell the product for a company, your own commission can be $20. So your commission is the gain which you got from selling the products for the company. And there are different things that you need to consider for you to get great commission and excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, there are two major ways by which you can get great commissions in affiliate marketing. I mean, two major ways by which you can get traffic to your affiliate marketing platform. Traffic, I mean people that are going to be accessing your affiliate product and are going to be buying your products, and from what they bought, you are going to get your commission. So the higher the number of people that buy your products, the higher your commission, and also the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission also most times. So I'll be showing you or telling you the two major ways by which you can make people access your affiliate product and buy your affiliate product. So we have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system is a method by which you pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for your product. Yes, sometimes when you are browsing on maybe Facebook or Instagram, you will see, even on YouTube, you will see pop-up videos or pictures showing you or advertising to you product or any service. I say click to purchase. So that's the example of paid traffic system. You have to pay the digital platform for them to create the advert for you. Also, we have the free traffic system, which is where I come in because as a affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer, and over the years, due to my difficulty in getting money on affiliate marketing and getting commission, also I have developed several software which I've been using over the years now. And presently, I have a software which is working very efficient, and it is the one that is giving me the result you can see on the screen. Yes, my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily online on digital platforms and promoting your affiliate products or link to these targeted traffics for you to get commission. Targeted traffic, I mean people that are in need of the product you are going to be selling. So for you to understand this better, I have recorded a complete video course which will guide you step by step on how to use my software, on how to select products and how to get targeted traffic for your products. So my video course will guide you step by step on how to purchase, on how to promote your affiliate products to people that are going to purchase them online. So and my software is also available. You can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, another thing is that my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify Store, or any affiliate marketing platform. So contact me today on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen now to get more information and to know and to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Another thing is that you don't need to have any experience on affiliate marketing or on how to use my software before you can start earning money, because my video course is self-explanatory and it will guide you step by step even as a beginner. As a beginner, you can make thousands of dollars weekly at the comfort of your home. So contact me now on my Gmail at skywet71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.